A320, RVSM. Reduced vertical separation minima. RVSM is the reduction of the standard vertical separation required between aircraft flying between flight level 290 and flight level 410 from 2,000 feet to 1,000 feet. RVSM regulations require the following equipment to be functioning: 2 ADRs, 1 autopilot function, RVSM in-flight procedures. Before entering RVSM airspace, the autopilot must be engaged. When in RVSM airspace and changing level, limit the vertical speed to between 500 and 1,000 feet per minute to minimize any TCAS warnings.
Nav, ADR1 fault.
I have control. I have the radio. Ecam actions.
Air data, Captain 3.
Severe weather which prevents the aircraft from maintaining altitude.